Good morning, guys. How are you all? Is everything okay? Here I am in Carapicuíba train station, and I'm heading to the March 25th Street in Sao Paulo. So I'm taking this CPTM train, the metropolitan train, heading to Barafunda station, and from there I will take the subway to go to another station, Sé station, and then there I'm gonna walk to March 25th to buy some things. And my cousin gave me a ride, and I'm here waiting for the train to come. And yeah, today a pleasant day in Carapicuíba, almost no clouds in the sky, and right now is 8:30. And after going to the March 25th Avenue, I'm gonna go to Ibirapuera Park to get the kit that I'm running in a race. So I'm gonna get my kit in Ibirapuera Park, so I have to take another subway to get there, and then I'm gonna take an Uber to get me to Ibirapuera. Hey guys, just got here in this busy place, Barafunda station, and now I have to take a subway, line 3, red, to go to Sé station, and from there I'm gonna go by foot to March 25th Street. Check it out, this place, busy place, a lot of people going to the subway, some going to get bus. So let's go to the subway right now, heading to Sé station, okay? Line 3 red, okay? See, I have to look for the place that I have to take this line 3 red, okay? Now I am São Paulo downtown, and I'm heading to Rock Gallery. Now I have to be careful because there is a lot of pickpockets here. Okay, see ya. I'm here at Rock Gallery looking for a Seu Madruga t-shirt for my uncle, but it is so hard and the stores are opening like 10 in the morning. Now it's 15 to 10, so I have to wait for 15 minutes in order to keep looking for Mr. Madruga t-shirt, okay? See ya. I got the Jabaquara line, you know, and then I'm heading to Paraíso station so I can get a Uber and go to Ibirapuera Park to get my kit for the racing tomorrow. Now I just dropped off from Paraíso station and now I'm waiting for my Uber. He's coming in 4 minutes to get my kit in this place called Running Land in Ibirapuera Park. 5 minutes and the driver is coming to pick me up. Just up here in Running Land and there is this not so big line to get the kit for the race tomorrow. Some people here in Ibirapuera Park, as soon as I get the kit, I'm gonna record a video from Ibirapuera Park and I'm gonna show you around. Yeah, a lot of people running in this race tomorrow. I hope the rain is not coming tomorrow. Hey guys, just got my kit at the Running Land and now I'm at the Ibirapuera Park. Behind me there is this monument called the Monument to the Bandeiras. It is a huge and beautiful monument. Far behind there is this lagoon and I'm gonna show you around this park. A lot of people come here to run, to exercise, you know, like this guy. Run, ride their bikes or simply walk. So let me show you around this park, okay? And yeah, far behind there is this lake, you know, beautiful lake, a fountain. Yeah, the people are crazy running at this time, you know. Now it's 11:30 and it's really hot here, and yeah, but the people, there is no time to exercise, you know. The monument to the Bandeiras behind me, this famous place, and then I have to wait to cross this street. I have to wait for the traffic to cross to go to the other side. There is a place to rent bicycles. You can pay, I don't know how much to ride a bike around this park. There is a different kind of tracks, you know. So for those who like to run, those who like to walk, those who like to ride their bikes, you know. A lot of people hanging out here, like only watching this lake or getting some rest. Yeah, it's good to run here. Yeah, guys stretching. Yeah, Uber in this area of Ibirapuera Park, no way, it's so expensive. So I decided to take a bus and to go to the next subway station so I can take the subway and head to Barra Funda station, and from there I'm gonna take a metropolitan train to go to Carapicuíba. It is noon, past noon, and I didn't have my lunch yet. Luckily I'm not hungry, so yeah, now let's go to the next subway station. Okay, see ya. This is the Sé Cathedral, a Gothic church here in downtown Sao Paulo. Now I'm headed to Sé subway station to get the train to go to Barra Funda station. Wow, finishing my adventure today. 1:30. I haven't had my lunch yet, so I'm really really hungry and tired. Now I got this shuttle bus to my aunt's house, and a delicious meal is waiting for me, but I'm really tired. After 5 hours walking and taking buses, taking subway, taking metropolitan train, yeah, taking Uber, yeah, whatever. Here I am heading to my aunt's home. Finally, at last, going back home. My day hasn't finished yet. I had some contacts return